All right, guys. Today I'm gonna show you the DSLR camera setup before you be able to use it for your photo booth events. So there are three things that you must pre-configure before connecting it to your device. The first thing that you need to do is make sure you have an SD card inside your camera. So make sure to have an SD card in your camera. All right. Second of all, you want to set your image quality to S1 or the lowest JPEG quality in order to make your file sizes pretty small. So you don't necessarily need like high quality images for your photo booth events because the images will be inside your frames anyway. Keeping it this way makes your file sizes pretty small and light for your event. And lastly, you want to set your camera to program mode. So P for the program mode. And that's it. Once you are set with these configurations, once you connect your camera to your device, your camera will be automatically detected and be ready to use right away. All right, thanks.